English Vocabulary Part 3. In this video you will learn English vocabulary. You will learn basic vocabulary with things that can be found around the home. You will also learn the pronunciation, the sounds of the words and how the words are written. The bathroom. Things that can be found around the bathroom. Sink. Sink. Basin taps. Basin taps. Bath. Bath. Shower. Shower. Body scourer. Body scourer. Bath towel. Bath towel. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Bathroom cabinet. Bathroom cabinet. Electric shaver. Electric shaver. Comb. Comb. Scissors. Scissors. Nail clippers. Nail clippers. Deodorant. Deodorant. Toilet roll. Toilet roll. Toilet. Toilet. Hand cleanser. Hand cleanser. Candle. Candle. Air freshener. Air freshener. Toilet roll holder. Toilet roll holder. Towel rail. Towel rail. Sink plug. Sink plug. Dental floss. Dental floss. Razor. Razor. Scourer. Scourer. Hair gel. Hair gel. Thanks for watching. Look out for part 4. Email me at valiranali@gmail.com.